In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome browser. Now click on three dots on the top right side. From here, click on Settings. On the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. Now on the right side, under Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Scroll down and click on Third-party cookies. Here you will get options like allow third-party cookies, block third-party cookies in incognito mode, and block third-party cookies. Just select the option allow third-party cookies if you wish to enable cookies on Google Chrome. In case if you want to customize this option, then you can use allowed to use third-party cookies feature. Here you can add certain website URLs and only those URLs will be allowed to use third-party cookies. So that is how you can enable cookies on Google Chrome. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.